Hello and welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for Sunday, the 17th day of September 2017. Anything you do within this information is based on your own risk and own reward. Within today's episode, we'll continue on with some NFL picks. Two easy winners last week with the San Francisco under and Philly laying the points. Today I'm laying the points on both Tampa and Dallas. I'm going to go over a bunch of charts today as quickly as I can, starting at the 30-second mark. So then, thank you for tuning in and let's get started. Bitcoin on the daily time frame is resisting this 18 average, but I do like to see the volatility going back to normal a little bit. On the 4-hour, this is the 7th period in which it is congesting within this little 18 average band after the rise higher, which is something you need to do for it to settle. On the single-hour time frame, it's evident that this is a major key area of a support level, that if it falls here, which would be falling from the 18 average, you probably test within some areas in here, and then getting above here, then you're looking to make this higher low and then attempt to make a higher high. Let's move on to core. I talked about it yesterday in the 2-minute warning, and it is breaking out huge, up over 100% since I talked about it yesterday, getting above this resistance, getting above this one in here. So if it's going to come back, definitely a key area. Is it overextended? Well, I'm getting into my selling mode most certainly because markets go way up, way down. 1-hour time frame, it just keeps going up. I bought in yesterday right around in here. I've sold out of my entire position about 55% of what I have. I'm going to be trying to get out of up to all of it as if this market keeps going higher. But big gains so far. You know, on the daily time frame, I also talked about yesterday, it broke out past this key resistance. It's now pulled back to this rising 18 average and very close to the area in which it came from. And when we shorten this time frame out just a little bit, and this is the 4-hour time frame, and this is pretty much where it came back from. Notice that the 18 average is in around the 22 mark. So I'm going to be curious if it can continue its retracement down to this point. Moving on to rise. And after it had about an 8x gain to go into the month of September, it then had this huge correctionary phase. And right now it's leaving this 18 average after a very decent move yesterday. We can notice a little bit of this failed breakdown that shortened out the time frame. And this is the 1 hour, and we can see that it came down to 9,500. 9,500 is where it came from. 9,500 is also this area in which it corrected within the 18 average. It has now left it, so it looks like as if this thing is ready to get going. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.